This depends a bit on the type of the project. Of course, there are people who have knowledge. They know about their issues, they know about their problems, they have their professional background in dealing with these different topics we address. So they are valuable partners on eye level to exchange with when it comes to developing solutions. And then, of course, we choose a methodology which is most appropriate to the topic we want to deal with. That means sometimes it's a focus group we are going to organize. Sometimes we have regular workshops, meetups weekly with partners and people coming in quite open. We have the science shop, the science cafe as methodology to be applied. We are organizing exhibitions and interviews and reports and whatever is the most appropriate way to send the information, to receive the information. And we do that together. Important is that we do that together with the people we are working with. We are suggesting, we are discussing the methodology, and then we decide together which would be the most appropriate one to continue our work with.
A lot of our contacts are based on long-term relationships. Occasionally we also work with municipalities because they also represent the people of the city and we can work with them. And just today I learned that we've gotten a grant in Groningen to work with students in the neighborhoods of the Groningen municipality, together with the University of Applied Sciences. So it's, I think, our first collaboration with the other university in our town.
It is very interesting because the first time that people external from the academic world, they came and they brought their opinions about the protocols. And for example, there are one representative of the Association of Patients and one official delegate of Ministry of Health for the Chagas program. And these two people attend this meeting, and with all this observation of the protocols, they prepare again the protocol, they finalize the protocols, and now they are in the field work. So. And these people, they will also attend the end meeting when we will give back the results of this.
In terms of the science shop, I think the way we try to maintain our sustainability is to maintain our relationships with all of the key people in our network and make sure that they understand the value of what we do. So we try to work with people in our university to make it clear the value to students, the value to our education strategy, the value to our community outreach strategy. We also try to demonstrate the value to our social charter, for example, which is Queen's community outreach strategy. So we would try to make sure that the work we do contributes to the key strategies within the university. We also work with our funder to make sure that they understand that we are meeting the needs of their funding stream as well. And we also work with our wider science shop network internationally because we also want to make an impact on supporting new science shops.